Everybody loves to hear that they've performed a job well done, and we are no exception. Our goal is to give every customer 5-star service, and it usually results in our customers sharing their experience with the world. Take a look at what one of our customers said about us. As much as we think we're doing a great job, it's customers like this that tell us about their experience that push us harder to do better. We really enjoy what our happy customers say about us. The most important thing to us is to know from them that we're doing a great job. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. We love to make you a happy customer. It's great you had a chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.